Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and I have not necessarily a new product, but it is new to the website. And what we have is the CR12 AX10 mounting kit. And what this is going to allow you to do is put the AX10 transmission in your team associated CR12. Now, the reason you might want to do this is a lot of people like to put larger tires on these, and you get to a point where the 380 motor just doesn't have the required power to turn those tires anymore. So you can install this AX10 kit. So what you get here is all of the motor mount plate pieces here, the skid plate, all of the necessary hardware, a new radio box, and this large battery tray. And you put the battery on the side here. I'll go ahead and assemble it so you guys can get an idea what this looks like. This is what the transmission looks like assembled. This customer is actually buying this transmission as well, and along with some drive shafts. I'll make a separate video on what needs to be done to fit the drive shafts onto the CR12 axles. But if you do send me an email, more than likely I can help set you up with a transmission and drive shafts. I keep them in stock, but I don't put them on the website because I don't actually make any money selling the transmission and drive shafts since I'm not an axial dealer. So that's why you won't see those on the website, but just send me an email and I'll get you guys taken care of if you do. So I'm just going to assemble this unit on the bench here for you guys to have a look at. The transmission just fits right onto the skid plate. And then I'm going to put the 4 screws in the bottom of it. Alright, so that is how this transmission fits on the skid plate. Very simple. And then we have this large electronics battery tray that fits around the transmission. So with the purchase of this AX10 kit, you will not need the rear electronics box or the low center of gravity battery tray. Then our electronics box, I'm just going to put the lid on it here. Then that just goes right on here. We have 2 holes. Attach it from the bottom. And then, of course, guys, this does retain the stock link geometry. And I include the 2.5mm hardware that goes all in here, because your lower links will now be mounted on this part of the skid plate. I'll just put these screws in a second. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is what the whole unit looks like before it goes in the truck. Of course, the motor will be hanging out this end, and the battery will go right here. Use the factory battery strap, and you can use a small LiPo pack on this side. So this is what I've come up for a solution to mount an AX10 into the CR12. A lot of people were asking me about this, and I just now put it up on the website. Another thing you should note is that the notch in the back of this tray is that so you can get a screwdriver in there and unbolt the drive shaft without removing this top plate. And there is pictures of this on my website, but I don't really have a CR12 that's assembled in the shop anymore, so I would love to show it to you guys in a CR12, but the pictures are on my website if you're interested in seeing how that fits. And this is not a first run product. I have a bunch of people running this already, testing it in their CR12s, and I have heard nothing but good news back from them. So if you're running big tires in your CR12 and you need a little bit more power and you're not afraid of spending the money, this is the setup for you. But it is going to cost a little bit. You need new drive shafts, this transmission, and of course my kit itself. So just be aware of that. And a 540 motor, I guess I should say. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I just want to give everyone an overview about what this piece is and explain how everything fits together so that you can see for yourself if you are purchasing one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.